Untitled. So today's topic is parse tree or derivation tree. So the derivation tree or a parsing is a process of context-free grammar. So context-free grammar can be represented in a tree. Such trees be called as parse tree or a derivation tree. So the vertex of a parse tree are labeled with a terminal or non-terminal. The root of a tree starts with a variable, and all internal nodes are labeled with a variable, and the leaves are labeled with the terminal nodes. Sorry, let's correct this. And the leaves are labeled with a terminals. The children of a node is labeled from left to right and right to left as the production used. So before you get confused here, let us brief what is that and start with the problem. So derivation tree or a parse tree for the CFG means a context-free grammar follows these four conditions: vertices, terminals, production, and start points. So if a tree satisfies the four conditions, then we can say it is a parse tree. So what are those conditions? Every vertex is labeled with a variable or a terminal or a sigma or null, I can say that. So the label of the root is S. So this is the label of a root is S. And the label of internal nodes is variables, which I will get further explaining what is that. And if the leaf node, if a vertex has a variable A and x1, x2, xn, and the children's are A, x1, x2 to the x1 has method. Okay, let us don't confuse here. If the vertex n has a label, then the n leaf node is only son of the father. Okay, don't confuse here. Let us get into the problem so that we'll get a more clarity on that. So this is a problem number 1. So let a CFG means a context-free grammar produces a grammar VTPS of the four conditions where vertices S and A, terminals are AB, P is the production, produces S tends to capital 2A's or small a, capital A and capital S, or small a, and it also produces capital A produces capital S, small b, and capital A, or BA, small b's. So what is the problem here is we need to get this string by applying this production, and we need to write a parse tree. As I said in the earlier problem of parse, we need to construct a parse tree. Since it is there here, we need to write a parse tree here. So how to write a parse tree for obtaining this string? So here, what to do? Let us insert. Okay, let's go to the paint. So here, let us copy the questions so that we don't get confused here. So this is a question, okay, and we need a solution for this. So how to do that? So S is the root node. Since this is the root node, we will write one circle here, small circle, and insert S into that. So S is the production now. So now S produces two capital S's. So for that we need to drag two lines from here. S produces two capital S's. So we'll produce here 2S. So we label that as S. Using a capital S. Now we want a required string as 2 small a, B, and 2 small a. So now since S produces 1 small a, we will replace that as here. So let us draw another circle here. Oh, sorry. Let us draw circle over here. Okay, so now we are replacing the size smaller. So we got a first required string. So now what we need to do, we want again as per the requirement small a, b and a. So S produces a, capital A and capital S. So we will replace that with the 3 thing here. Let us draw a 3 lines here so that we can draw our answer. If it is in a book, I can do faster because since it is a computer, I can explain slowly itself. So let us draw 3 boxes here. Yeah. So S produces small a, capital A, and capital S. So small a, okay, something like that. Okay, so now here we can write small a, capital A, and capital S. So now S produces this. So now we want the required string B since we got AA is done, and we need a B, 2 double A's. So for that, what's there in S? So A can be replaced as BA, right? So let us draw 2 arrow marks here. So let us draw 2 arrow marks here. Even S produces something, so we will drag here so that we can't do again and again. So let me explain this in some further while. Okay, so now A produces as per our requirements BA. Yes, it is there. So we got small b here, we got small a here. Again, capital S also produces. Here we can see the S is there. So capital S is also producing small a. So we got the required string by reading A, B, A. So we got the required string A, B, A is the required string. We got it. So we got the required string. We got the required string as this. So let me explain, brief me once. So S produces 2 S's, yes, as per the requirements. So S also produces A. So this is our string obtaining requirements. And S also produces small a, capital A, and small s, capital S, and also A produces BA. We got the requirement here. String can be read as AA, B, AA. So this is all about the solution from the production, which is satisfies VTPS 4 conditions. What this is? Terminal nodes. This is the terminal nodes which are being a final node, and a production. P produces the production of S and A, and we obtaining a parse tree. AA, B, AA is the final answer for this. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on different videos, like everything I can upload. Thank you for watching.